Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. It's bright and early Saturday morning, and today we'll be doing the 180 degrees thermostat on the Widebody Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Also, I'll be installing the Waterneck from Billet Technology that I already had on my previous Challenger. I didn't have a good video on my previous Challenger, so today I'll be doing my best to have a better footage for you guys. Now, before we do that, I'm gonna actually head to Cars and Cantina here in the Colony, Texas, and once we're back, we're gonna hit the install. Let's jump into the video. Today at Cars and Cantina, as you guys can see, bunch of cars. Let me get some footage for you guys. Beautiful GDR, ref to redline, nice partial wrap, good interior, looking good. This thing out, and I would believe Corey Reeves. This thing looking nasty, all the way from Oklahoma. Color is nice, and I don't think it's a wrap, so if it is, they did a great job with it. Shaker here, and look at this. Nice Hot Wheels edition, and if you look close, there's some lights in the shaker. Looking good, looking good. Lamp shaker. Okay, next we got our Daytona here, Triple D Hemi. Look at this nice carbon wrap, tint, however you want to go with. Look at here. Carbon fiber rear diffuser, big exhaust. I would believe it's a 5-inch tip right there. Nice wheels, pretty much same as mine, and he got the nice red seat belts, and he got the Daytona on the seat, carbon fiber here, and got some work done to it. You can see here, nice catch can, cold air intake, starter bar, everything looking good. And you see the line here, that's for some illumination, probably has somewhere on the headlights or down below the car. Same car club here. Sorry for the music in the background. Got a Mustang, white shadow 2.3. Got this nice Mustang on bags. You can see pretty low. Nice Pro Charge build. Oh, this thing is looking amazing. Very great, very good, beautiful. And we got the skyline moving out. Look at this beautiful Alfa Romeo. Everything blacked out. Not sure if it's a blackout edition or they made it black, but it's looking great, nice and clean. Got some fiber, carbon fiber down there at the bottom. This thing looks crazy. Look at this beautiful interior. Nice red carbon fiber touch. Look at the pedal shifters. Man, that's so big, aluminum. And cool feature about this car also, the back seat, obviously everything's pretty spacious, but you can see everything is matching all the red stitches, so they didn't do lousy on the back side, so it's looking good. It's looking good. I mean, I'm not a four-door car guy, but this thing is looking great.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, these are the things we're gonna use. This is the 180 degrees thermostat from Mishimoto. This is the water neck that I'll be replacing from Billet Technology. They use the same 13mm bolts as from the stock vehicle, so you will need either a wrench or a ratchet with a socket. I don't remember which one I used, so I took both of them out. You will need a Ziploc bag to grab the majority of the coolant that will be dripping out of the car, and you need some kind of an old towel just to catch whatever is left over. Now, if you are going to replace the water neck just like I'm doing, then I will suggest you to have a flathead screwdriver and some kind of a vice grip to hold the clamp from the water neck, which you're gonna be reusing. I'll show you in the video. So last time I didn't grab great footage, as I said before this morning, but let's try to get a better angle this time. Let's jump into the install. Okay, this is what I did with the towel. Place it right below the water neck, and these are the two 13mm that you're gonna take off, one and the second one down there, and this is the clamp that we'll be using the vice grip as I showed you. So let me get the back, and the back I'll be positioning it right here. It's a tight area, but you guys can make it happen so you can keep the engine bay clean. First thing you're gonna do, loosen up these 13mm. Okay, once you have both bolts loosened, just keep holding the hose with the pressure until you get the screw completely out. Otherwise it can make a bigger mess. One is out. I'm gonna let it squirt a little bit and then put the pressure back on. That way I can get the bottom one looser easier. Once you have both of them out, have your thermostat ready with this little hole pointing up. Just like the one right here. I don't see it up in here, so, but this one, oh yeah, there it is. Hope you guys can see it on camera. It's right there. This one is on the metal, this one is on the plastic rubber right here. So you want to swap that out very quick. There we go. That will avoid you to do a bigger mess. And we got the plastic bag full, which we're gonna reuse. Now, to change the water neck, this is what you're gonna do. Get your vice grip. Let me grab actually a bigger one. Okay, to replace the water neck, you need a big vice grip. Pinch it down, slide it over. The more the better. Actually, let me let it on. Now, one thing you want to do, you want to stick this one in, a screwdriver, and wiggle around. Wiggle pretty much around the whole area until you feel it loosen. There we go. I feel it loosen up. There we go. You might scratch the water neck like I did right here, but it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna reuse this one. And that's where we're gonna put in the new one. Slide that one in. Good. Make sure you have the correct angle for the holes for the bolts. And then you slide the clamp back over. It seems to be a little bit bigger. Okay, now that you wiggled everything back in position, you let go of the vice grip. And then the only thing left to do is put back these two 13 millimeters. Perfect, that's it for the install. I'm gonna start the car, let it get to temperature, and then we'll see how the thermostat is doing. Okay guys, been driving about 30 miles and everything is doing great. It stays steady at 185, very similar to what it did on my old Scat Pack. So let's see if there's anything pop up, any check engine light or anything, which it used to do it on the 2016 model, but apparently in the 2019 and up it doesn't do it. That's what I heard from my buddy who wants smoke. He runs the same exact thermostat in his 2019 1320 and everything is working great, so I'll keep you guys updated. And towards the end you got the leftover and you're gonna fill it back in. Catch you guys in the next one. Out.